Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the watch has enough power and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Tap Settings now or press the crown to open the app menu. If your model syncs to a phone app, open that companion app in case the watch UI is limited. Once done, locate Display or Watch Face options. This is where wallpapers and faces live. Make sure you're connected to the phone if deletion options are synced or managed from the companion app. You now find the specific wallpaper you want to remove by navigating to the Watch Face or Wallpapers list. Tap the face to open editing controls, because deletion is usually an option inside Edit or Manage. Long press the thumbnail or tap the three-dot menu to reveal delete, remove, or uninstall actions. This prevents accidental removals. Once you select Delete, confirm when prompted. This removes the file from the watch. You finish by accepting the confirmation. The watch should remove the wallpaper immediately and switch to a default or next active face. If the image returns, open the companion phone app and remove it there, then resync to force the change. If delete options are grayed out or the watch won't remove the file, restart the device and try again. Reboot clears temporary locks. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort to reset synced wallpaper data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.